How to add contacts in Boldinbox in few seconds. Step 1. Log into your Boldinbox dashboard using your credentials. Step 2. Below the Boldinbox logo, find tabs like Campaigns, Contacts, Campaign Stats, Sign Up Forms, Settings. Click Contacts. Step 3. Select Add New Contacts. You'll see 3 options. Upload Excel or CSV file for bulk import. Copy-paste emails for quick list. 100 contacts are allowed only. Type emails and names manually, one by one. Step 4. Choose your method. For bulk imports, upload CSV or XLS files, name optional. For more clarity, read the instruction box at right corner or see sample. Manual entry. Type, paste emails, names directly. Step 5. Review and edit, double-check imported data. Edit or delete incorrect entries, for example emails, surnames and required fields. Our system removes duplicates and multiple entries. Final step. Tick on I agree terms, click Import button. Your contacts will appear in the top left corner. Ready to